Every retail space deserves to stand out. With DGS Retail's liquor store shelving, you're not just organizing products, you're creating an experience that turns browsers into buyers and builds lasting customer loyalty. Great displays do more than hold merchandise, they sell it. That's why we design shelving solutions that guide customer flow, spotlight promotions, and spark impulse purchases. From wood dump bins that draw attention to high-margin items, to overhead header signage that communicates your brand's message. Every detail works together to maximize your merchandising potential. While tailored for liquor stores, our displays adapt beautifully to any retail environment. Whether you run a boutique or a big box store, our solutions create a polished, professional look, proven to boost sales. What sets us apart? Customization. Choose wooden price tag holders for clear pricing, half-round shelves for dynamic end caps, or magnetic chalkboard signs to highlight specials. Every feature is designed to inspire, inform, and convert. With 26 wood stains and an unstained option for added savings, you can match your store's style without compromising quality or impact. At DGS Retail, we make premium displays accessible. You get the upscale look of custom millwork at a fraction of the cost, so you can invest more in growing your business. It's time to elevate your store and your sales. Visit dgsretail.com and explore the liquor store shelving collection.